Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I will be cooking up some Jamaican steam fish with crackers. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post a new video. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have two medium-sized Pompano fish, and now I'm gonna be using garlic powder, Cajun season, Old Bay season, and garlic powder to season that. And I also have some black pepper in there as well. I'm just mixing that up. Then I'm gonna add a teaspoon on the inside of the fish just to give it some flavor. Now after you're finished with the inside, I'm just going to distribute some of that seasoning on the outer part of the fish. Now let's break down some of the ingredients. I have okra, carrot, some baby potatoes. I also have scallion and my gray scotch soup powder. I also have scotch bonnet, pepper, and thyme. Now guys, I'm just gonna add butter to a skillet and I'm just gonna let that melt. So now that the butter has melted, I'm adding the carrots. I'll also be adding the potatoes and some red onions. Now I'm just gonna let that saute for about 2 minutes. So guys, I'm adding the thyme to the veggies. Now I'm just gonna let that saute with everything. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of water to our veggies just so that it can cook a little bit for about 3 minutes. Okay, so now that our veggies have blanched a little, I'm just gonna add the fish. Now the fish doesn't take much time to cook because it has a little to no connective tissue whatsoever. So I'm just gonna add the fish to my skillet. And I'm gonna base some of that stock over it. So guys, I'm adding a bit more butter to that just so you can give it more flavor. I mean, it's optional, you guys don't have to do this. Now I'm gonna be adding quarter more of a cup of water. Then I'm gonna continue basting the fish with that stock. Now I'm just gonna cover that and leave that to steam for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, guys, this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna continue basting it. Now I will be adding the Grace pumpkin soup mix. And guys, I didn't want to use the noodles. You guys, it's optional. You guys can go ahead and use it if you like. But for me, I just don't like the noodles in my steamed fish. So yeah. Now at this point, I'm going to be adding our corn and okra, the scallion and pepper. And I'm just going to let this steam for another 5 minutes. So okay guys, I promise this is a final step. We're just gonna base it, then I'm gonna be adding my crackers, another optional ingredients, guys. You don't have to add it at this point. You can use crackers, you can use bami, or you can go ahead and just plate that up with some plain white rice. Like, it's just up to you, you know, whatever floats your boat. Okay, it's your fish, you do what you want to do with it. Okay guys, now I'm gonna plate this up and just show you guys the finished product. And here it is guys, the final product. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you do. Share, subscribe guys. I love you so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post a new video. And I love you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.